Namaste loves, I'm Priti. Today's video is all about beauty blender, but before that please subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So one of the basic question I get is what is a beauty blender? So beauty blender is something like really soft material. It looks like this really tiny teddy bear type of thing, and it soak in every single makeup product that you apply, like foundation, concealer, contour, everything. Then I will show you this three types of beauty blender I already have. But before that you need a bowl of water, and first I'm going to show you this original beauty blender. This is by the brand called Original, which is really worldwide famous. Of course everyone knows about this brand. And I'm going to add this ivory concealer to back of my hand. Of course this is a jam or butter knife, and this is a contour shade which is best for my skin type. Then I'm going to show you the way it blends out. You could see I have used this for like 3 to 4 years now, and somehow I wasn't that much like satisfied, because you could see it does soak in quite a product but not as much as I want. I personally like to get lot more like a natural finish look, but this does the work. Like I would say I will give this a 5 out of 10. Right here you will see this contour shade will not get blend out whatsoever, because the problem is this doesn't soak in that much of product as I want, so it's a no. Next I will show you this GQ beauty blender that I literally became a fool when I got this. What happened was it was really looking cute and I thought it's really affordable, but what it does is it doesn't absorb any product. Like you will literally see how hard it is to put it on your face and blend. Like I literally used to bang it on my face, so I did not like this product. I will never suggest this one. Please don't buy this. So I will give this product 3 out of 10 because it doesn't soak in any product. You could see it is also a little bit harder to blend, which I will never recommend buying this one. The last beauty blender I have is one of my favorite. You could see the more beauty blender absorbs a water, it means it is one of the best for your foundation application. You could see it will also absorb your foundation, your concealer, and won't leave any like a fake looking skin type of texture. There are a lot of beauty blender out there which doesn't soak in that much of product, but it also looks like little bit fake. You could if you could see, I wish my camera would be that strong or my light would have been that strong so that I could show you guys. But you will actually notice that this blends so nicely. In starting you will actually notice that that contour shade is not blending that right, but in the end you will see how softly this looks. So the last question is it worth? So yes, it is worth, because it cost me 60 rupee, which is less than $1. And also the original beauty blender which I got was like 200 rupee, and obviously it lasts for me more than 3 to 4 years, but that was little bit stiff and it doesn't used to absorb that much of product. So this product is definitely worth. You will see these stuff, and that is, it comes with a round, it comes, two of them are with a rectangle, one of them is square, and another one is like specifically designed for your under eye and your face area if you have really tiny face like me. So yeah, I hope this video was enough. Then please give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me onto my socials where I post daily. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next, and yeah, bye.